This is our swimming pool. Natural, clean. Look at the water. You can see the bottom and shallow. It's just for the kids and for us. It's a very nice refreshment when after the hot day you don't want to feel overheated. Cooling and so nice. Look how beautiful. My husband is like a duck. He loves water. I guess tomorrow we might all end up here. If you don't have enough heat, this is what will help. Work, my husband, work. Let's make more heat. Look how nice. Maybe he is Japanese geisha. I'm not sure.
That piece hasn't gone out yet. That's drifting over there also.
What's
That piece.
That's fine. There's no sawdust there.
Okay.
What a beautiful morning. I don't much see my husband relaxing, but today, look at him. This is where is no word problem or your own problem exists. This is where you want just to relax, breathe fresh air, get some suntan. In our garden, not only vegetables growing, we also have some flowers. So it will be attracting the bees. Some flowers is not blooming yet. And we have the tiger lilies. We're coming. A lot. Let's check on how our zucchini doing. We do have some baby zucchini. But over here, we already have a nice zucchini. Maybe we're going to use. And then the second one. So the plant doing excellent. It's in the full sun. It's low where it's planted, and we love what we planted and harvesting. We have interesting bushes. I'm not sure what that is. But look, this one has a red berries and looks amazing. But his neighbor has the orange one, and it's look the same exactly kind. But I don't understand it. But it's so beautiful. Look at the colors. So we have two different colors in the neighborhood. Orange and red. Beautiful nature. Look, all the forest around. What can be better? Let's show everybody our greenhouse and how it's doing. We only here once a week, and we only can check on it when we are here, so not too much trouble so far. It does look good. Let's see what actually we have. First greenhouse is our tomato, and look, we have lots of tomatoes. They're not ripened yet like my garden in the city. Maybe it's a little bit cooler here, but we have a lot of fruit. And we already have a little yellow pure tomatoes that start ripening up. Our pepper, it's a late pepper, so no any fruits yet, but soon because lots of flowers. Let's check our cucumbers. Oh, cucumbers is very good. Look. And we have a lot of baby, and we have some helpers here who have pollinated them. So I would say our cucumber is doing great. It looks like we will have a lot of fruits on it. Oh, the first one doing very good too. Look. I'm happy of my work here too. Now that's another kind of tomatoes. It's called early girl. They also have lots of fruits. So for our next visit, hopefully some of our tomatoes will be already ripe and we don't need to buy them anymore. I love gardening. So I have satisfaction of doing something. And it's not only because it's what I planted and how I grow it. It also relaxes me. It takes the stress away. If I see something with my eyes, I'm completely forgetting what existing around me. And that is the best relaxing therapy. And I'm ready for work. My husband already doing the second coat of a wood protection stain, so that will last longer. Beautiful weather, and as I said earlier, I'm wondering how he not doing anything. He's not that type of person who will be just sit and relax. He doesn't know how to relax too long. I'm ready to do or help him, and this is a lack of tools. 2 step ladder he actually using on his own, and he told me I'm like a bee, so I can fly and help him to stain on the opposite side. I'm better just doing this full thing around. Maybe I will record it and show how he does, and I will relax at the same time. Good job, my husband, good job. So everything looked perfect and will be more darker. I'll show the opposite side. It's almost invisible. It's only see that it's freshly painted, but the color doesn't change much. As much as being the helper to my husband, I'm just taking my bike and I will take a ride all around our area. So I have a special bike. It's called Auto Bike. It's beautiful. It doesn't have the switch to change the speeds. It does it on its own. If you're going up, it switches the gear. If it's going down, it switches the gears depending on how much speed the bike gaining. I try to show you what is the label. It's a bike automatic version, and I love it as a woman. I'm going to take you to a park learning garden center and show you what is there. Everybody can have a chance to grow something. Let's go. And here we are. Welcome to a learning garden. This is the place where are people growing different stuff. It's a huge garden place, huge. And I'm going to show you the beauty of the flowers, what grows here. This yellow flower called gladioluses. Maybe there is a different colors here, but right now only yellow start blooming. Little island of the wild flowers, and they are also beautiful. Sunflower and a lot of different flowers. Nice and beautiful.
Nerede pişti?
Так, постарайся тут часник чи
Цибуля, певно. Чекай, де він? Flowers. Amazing. And there is another one. Look, they are in white and pink. They are gorgeous. The nature is so wonderful with the colors and the shapes. And look, I'm fascinated and I love that people plant lots of flowers. And these lilies, they are beautiful and amazing. And this is the row of the next beauties of this garden. Look at the colors. Look at those flowers. all this place, people are renting just to get their heart of growing stuff here. And lots of raspberries, strawberries, grapes, and another stuff. It can be grown by your own hands here. It's amazing how people can relax. And amazing decor that people have in their little places to relax. It's a little paradise. Thank you everybody for this wonderful garden. Hello little daisies. Thank you for watching my trip into this garden. I hope you really enjoyed the view and the beauty of it. And I wanted to thank all the people who doing this. They are amazing gardeners. Thumb up. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe and ring the bell so you doesn't miss my next video. See you in my next one. Bye.